Introducing PC3 Superfast Powder Admixture, the next generation solution for faster, stronger, and smarter concrete. PC3 Superfast comes in powder form and is suitable for all types of concrete applications, from precast concrete products to construction concretes. With PC3 Superfast, your concrete sets in just 4 to 6 hours, achieving up to 30% strength in 6 hours. 50% in 24 hours, and 100% strength within just 3 to 4 days. This means faster setting, early strength gain, and higher productivity, both in precast and construction industries. Let's take an example. If you're casting pillars using column boxes, normally you'd remove them after 24 hours, but with PC3 Superfast, you can reuse the same column box twice a day, doubling your productivity and saving big on framework investment. In the precast industry, your products will set within 4 to 6 hours, allowing you to demold or move them in just 8 to 12 hours, depending on your process. Because of the fast setting, damages are reduced and product quality, shape, and finish are perfectly maintained. And there's more. With PC3 Superfast, your concrete can achieve 150 to 200% higher strength in 14 to 28 days without any water curing. That means you can save 5 to 20% cement thanks to its superior strength gain properties. Saving cement and water. That's the biggest advantage of PC3 Superfast. It's compatible with all types of binders, OPC, PPC, PSC, lime, and even gypsum. And the dosage? Just 100 grams per bag of cement. You can use it directly or dilute it in water for faster dispersion. The cost per bag of cement is just 10 rupees, and it's not an added cost. It's a smart investment. Here's how. If you save just 10% cement, that's 5 kilograms saved per bag, worth 25 rupees. Subtract the chemical cost of 10 rupees. You're still saving 15 rupees per bag of cement. PC3 Superfast is eco-friendly and non-hazardous. It's safe to use, doesn't harm plants or users, and helps protect nature by reducing cement and water consumption. So when you choose PC3 Superfast, you're not just making faster and stronger concrete, you're also making smarter, more sustainable concrete for a better future. PC3 Superfast Powder Admixture. Fast setting, high strength, eco-smart. You can call or WhatsApp us for more information and to place your orders.
Infinite possibilities. IMCO Sierra Dubai. Creating waste to wonder. Stronger, greener, and smarter.